First time here in Kazakhstan and here are my first impressions. But before that, siguro share ko muna a few tips and maybe some lessons. First, etong Yandex Maps. Download and familiarize yourself. Ito yung local navigation app nila na mas accurate naman talaga sa Google Maps. Next, etong Yandex Go, local ride-hailing app naman nila. But yung challenge ko dito, tinatry ko na siyang i-set up sa Philippines pa lang. Pero hindi ako nakaka-receive ng OTP talaga. Pagdating ng airport, kumuha agad ako ng SIM card and it worked. So, local SIM card talaga siguro. And speaking of SIM card, ang kinuha ko lang dito was yung free SIM na ino-offer nila with 1 gig for 1 day. In transit lang naman ako going to Uzbekistan the next day. Sabi naman kasi nila, pwede ako mag-recharge online. But, yun yung another challenge. Dito sa Kazakhstan, hindi gumagana ang any Visa cards ko for online transactions. But when I use for paying restaurants or even groceries, it works fine naman. Next, cash withdrawal naman tayo. Better to do it at airport. Kasi dito pala sa Kazakhstan, usually naka 4-digit PIN system sila. Sa airport, nakahanap ng 6-digit PIN, which is yung Halyk Bank. I think may Halyk Bank din naman sa city center, but mas konti. And if mag-visit kayo sa Ascension Cathedral, better to bring a scarf with you kasi if you wanna visit inside, kailangan covered yung head mo as a sign of respect. And ayun na nga, going back to my first impressions about Kazakhstan, ang akala ko talaga dito is isolated place siya na puro bundok and nature and all that. But it's a big no. Ang contemporary ng feels and vibe dito, parang wala na ako sa Asia, ganun. From their architecture to their food, may pagkasamwat European na siya eh. Of course, andun pa rin yung tradition na dun sa local market nila, which is Green Bazaar. Tapos yung facial features ng mga tao dito, sobrang agaganda. Minsan mapapatulala ka na lang habang naglalakad. And overall, sobrang linis dito, sobrang organized, and feeling safe ka kahit maglakad ka ng 12:00 ng gabi. Not what I pictured, but it's definitely a pleasant surprise.